Okay, so this is probably going to end up being like a two-part series for all of the new products that I purchased from KKW Beauty, and I've never used them before, so I'm excited. Like, I'm super excited. This is the eyeshadow palette. This is called KKW Beauty Crystallized Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm excited for this. So let's unbox this. Let's get into it. Part 2 will be this one right here, and this is the KKW 8-piece mini lip liner set, and these are all nude shades, so I'm going to swatch these for you guys. And we've got the KKW mini lip gloss set in the nude shades right here, which I will also swatch for you guys in part 2 of this video. Alright guys, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so I've already gone in and I've applied all of my base foundation makeup. So if you guys haven't seen how I apply glowy base foundation makeup, check out my upcoming video, which will be launched next week. I'm going to do a whole review on how I get this amazing glowy complexion with my foundation. Okay guys, to start off my look, I'm going to go in with this brush right here, and this is a number 6 from BH Cosmetics. I'm loving these brushes right now. Like, they're so good. Love these brushes. Okay, I'm going to go in, and for my transition shade, I'm going to pick this shade right here, which is this light taupey color, because we're going in for a very natural glam Marilyn vibe. So definitely this one right here. I'm just going to pick this up, and this is just a very fluffy shadow brush. I'm just going to tap that off. Okay, I've never tried KKW before, so again, this is going to be like my first impressions. I'm excited for this. Alright guys, let's do it. So I'm just applying this beautiful light taupey color in my transition. Just like that. I'm going to go in, pick up a little bit more of that pigment, and just go in and kind of deepen that transition. So I'm just deepening the transition with like windshield wiper motions. This is a very pretty color. I love it. It's gonna go in with a little bit more. I'm actually going to bring it right into my inner corner. We're just deepening that up. So if you guys haven't seen how I do my nose contour right now with my powder bronzer, definitely check out my live video from the other day. So good. Love that. Love that. Okay, this is like going on like butter. It's so smooth. I'm actually going to pick up my JH33 from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. This is part of her collection. Amazing brush collection. Love her. Always support fellow YouTuber. Alright, so I'm going to go in with, I want to use this shade right here. I really want to use that shade right here, but this one's calling to me, so I'm like, I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm going to pick up just a little bit of this, because I'm sure it's going to be quite pigmented. We got a little bit on our brush. We're going to tap that off. I'm going to just apply a little bit of this in my outer corner crease. Okay, this is really beautiful. That is a stunning shade. Wow, I'm so glad that I picked it and I went in with this shade. Like, this is just gorgeous. Love that. Like, hands down, like, that is a good shade. Okay, I'm actually going to go in with that exact same brush that we were just using, our Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm going to dip into the exact same shadow. I'm just going to deepen it up just a little bit right here in my outer V, just because I'm loving that color so much. I'm just going to go in and just apply that to my outer V right here, and I'm just going to deepen that color. Bringing it on my lash line, dragging it over and out to my outer V. getting it into that transition and just deepening up that color because I think this is such a beautiful shade. Just like that. Okay, so with another fluffy blending brush, I'm actually going to go in with this one right here from Too Faced called Shader, and I'm going to dip into this dark color right here, this beautiful warm dark brown. I don't want too much because I don't want to make it too dark. Like, it's almost dark enough right now. I just want to really play with that color, so we're just going to tap that off quite a bit. I'm just going to go in and just add a little bit in our outer corner. Right here, we're just going to add a little bit and just bring that into our lower lash line. So faint. So we dusted off all the pigment. Just depositing such a little amount of color, which is what I want. I mean, if I really wanted to go in there, like this would smoke it out beautifully, but I want that nice, you know, just mild but super glam Marilyn Kim moment. So we are just dusting that dark brown on, just like that. I'm gonna go back in with our original brush that we started with for our transition shade, which is this number 6 brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna go back into this beautiful taupe color, tap into that, dust that off. That is our transition shade, and I'm just gonna bring this to my inner corner, and I'm just going to blend that in my inner corner. I'm just going to dust that right up in there, that beautiful taupe shade. And these are all matte shadows that I'm using so far, which is just a stunning look. I'm gonna dust that right up in there. Get that really into that inner corner area. Wow, this is so good, like breathtaking. I'm gonna go back in with this brush right here, which is our Jaclyn Hill brush that we were using, and I'm just gonna tap into that orange. And there's such little pigment on here, I just want to blend something right here. Where my transition meets that dark chocolate color, I just want to warm that up just a little bit. Right like that. Like that's stunning. That is blow me away stunning. I'm just going to go in with this and just kind of extend it just a little bit. Make this a little bit more circular. Blending that out. That's it. That's the look. That is what I want. Because when I think of Marilyn and Kim, when I think of their makeup, it's just that little pop of, you know, just that little jazz. And this is very, very cute. So I'm gonna go in and repeat these steps on the other side, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I just went in, I finished my liner, and I put my lashes on. So let me tell you what I used. For my waterline, I actually went in with this one right here from Makeup by Mario. This one is called Master Matte's Brightening Pencil in Light 1. This is a very nude color for your waterline, and I just thought because I want this to be very glowy and less darkening, I thought, you know what? We're just going to go in with a nude liner in our waterline because you know me. I'm all about the browns. I'm all about the blacks, as black as you can get it, 100%. If you guys haven't actually seen my video on my 10 favorite eyeliners, definitely check that one out. I'll leave a link somewhere in the description. Alright guys, this is a really great liner and I love it. So I went in, I lined my waterline, and I actually tight lined as well with this cream liner. It just gives that brightening effect. But I actually went in with my liquid liner, and for that I used the Makeup by Mario liquid liner. This is the Master Matte liquid liner in Super Black. I actually decided to go with a bit of a Bella Hadid kind of, you know, cat eye effect. where I went into my inner corner here just a little bit. I took it just on the bottom of my lash line just a little bit, and I blended that into my mascara. And then I just winged it out just a tiny bit. Don't normally wear a wing. It's not really my thing. That rhymes. That's weird. Okay, but honestly, I don't usually wear a wing, but today I was like, you know what? Why not? This is giving me that glam, that Marilyn, that Kim moment. So, you know what? Let's just do it. Okay guys, what do you think of this amazing makeup look right here? This is soft, glam, gorgeous Marilyn, kind of Kim inspired makeup vibes. Yes, right? Okay, let me tell you guys what I think of this makeup look. Okay, to start off, let's talk about fallout. I didn't really experience any. Like, it's magic. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I went in with only the matte shades, so I can only judge on the 3 matte shades that I really used in this palette to create this makeup look, and I didn't have any fallout, so I'm gonna have to give the palette a 10 out of 10 for that, because this went on like butter. This is beautiful, stunning, amazing. Happy about that. 10 out of 10 for fallout. So wearability, honestly, like this, like I said, it went on like butter, and it's wearing beautifully. It's not burning. There's no scent to it. It's stunning. Like, this is stunning. It's gorgeous, guys. Like 10 out of 10. Definitely for wear so far, 10 out of 10. Okay, so let's talk about pigment. We have 10 colors in this palette, and we have the warm color story and the cool color story. And I think they work beautifully, you know, together in the palette. You can make multiple looks out of it. It's working beautifully. I just went in with the warm side, and I actually went in with the more neutral end of it, and I created this amazing glowy Marilyn inspired look. So I'm happy with it. So definitely 10 out of 10. Let's talk about value. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, and I have to give it a lower score because the price point on this palette is $45 US. Therefore, for me to buy it in Canada, it's obviously going to be quite a bit more with the exchange on the dollar. Each shadow comes out to then $4.50 a shadow. For me, that's a lot more because I'm buying it in Canada, obviously, and having it shipped here. There is no duty on it, which was fantastic. So for like, we're gonna say just under $6 per shadow, I still think it's beautiful. Like the formulation, like this came highly recommended to me, and I understand why, because I think the formulation is stunning, and I've never had any inkling to try KKW Beauty ever. I've never tried Kylie Cosmetics either. It was just never my vibe. I love the product, but under the value point, I'm going to have to give it a 7 out of 10, simply for cost. Okay, so this brings us to the tally, and this gives us 37 out of 40, and I think that this is an amazing product. Like, I love it so, so much. Would I recommend this to you guys? Yes, but because of the price point, I really think you could find a dupe for probably every one of these colors in either the ColourPop line, which is very affordable, or the Juvia's Place line, which again is very affordable. Would I wear this every day? Yes, hands down. The formulation, the colors are gorgeous. Would it be an everyday go-to palette for me? Yes. Okay guys, if you love videos like this, remember to smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel down below. Alright guys, remember, hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think of this video, let me know if you guys love it, let me know if there's a product that you guys really want me to review. I love hearing from you guys, and I always write back. Okay guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys!